Now, of course, we have some other tools available in our toolbox. We'll stay in the brush section for now. We have some extra tools that you can add to your brushes, which makes cleaning windows a lot easier. One of these tools is the rinse bar. You can attach the rinse bar on the brush. All you have to do is detach the screws, and I've prepared it here so I can easily attach it. I'll place it right on top of the brush. How this brush exactly works, I'll show you guys a little later outside. You'll get different strains of water flow above the fibers, precisely controlled just above them, which makes the rinsing of any glass type a lot easier. With hydrophobe glass, there are two types of glass: hydrophilic and hydrophobic glass. Hydrophobic glass rejects water, hydrophilic retains water. And that's actually what you want. You'll want hydrophilic glass. So now I'll attach the rinse bar as such. And now we are ready to work with the rinse bar. So this is the rinse bar. Put on the 26cm brush. As you can see, it creates a nice and even water flow. So I want to create a nice water curtain on the glass. And as you can see, this is hydrophobic glass. It repels the water like it's being washed at a car wash. And by working with this brush and the flow of this water curtain, you'll see that all the dirt and debris washes down to the ground. And by using this technique, we don't have to do an after rinse because it's already done organically. Let me just show you here on the higher part. The rinse bar sprays just above the brush. And now I have full control over where I want to create my water flow. And I want to have a nice water curtain on this hydrophobic glass that repels the water. And I am creating straight lines of water. So this glass is maintained every 6 weeks. And the correct method of washing with a rinse bar is, watch closely, placing the brush diagonally in the corner. And again. And do it again. And pulling it down, 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 until I have covered the entire window pane. And then a little extra rinse, and the bottom, and done. I don't have to do an after rinse for the entire window. That's what the rinse bar is for. It saves you about 20% time on the job. So that's one tool that we can use. As an accessory for this rinse bar, we have different types of so-called goosenecks. This one right here is a gooseneck with a swivel function. You can attach it right here. Place it at the right angle for yourself. And now you can see the range of motion the brush has now. This one here is the standard gooseneck. It comes without the swivel function. What's great about the swivel function? It has a greater range of motion. So imagine when you are cleaning a window, it's a great advantage to have a more free way of moving the brush in accordance with the water flow. Every window cleaner has their own preferences. I myself like to work with the swivel function, others will maybe want the standard gooseneck. And another window cleaner might want to choose a longer gooseneck. So for everyone, we have a choice and a solution.